Hey there, I'm Casey and this is Lauren and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Meal Hacks video series where we're sharing tips and tricks for making mealtime manageable.
And today's hack is 5 ways to use hummus.
Yes, hummus is so great. It's really versatile. It's very nutritious. It has a lot of plant-based protein, fiber, heart-healthy fats. But I think a lot of people probably don't know how else to use it besides as a dip.
Yes, which is, of course, number one. The first way to eat hummus is as a dip. Great with veggies, also great with pita chips, tortilla chips, crackers, great entertaining as well.
Yes, that's a great one. The second one is as a spread for a sandwich or a wrap or even a burger.
Yeah.
A great way to kind of incorporate it with something that you might not normally use, and you could replace something like a mayonnaise or other sandwich spread with the hummus.
Third way would be as a pizza sauce. So instead of using like a marinara sauce, you can actually just spread hummus over a pizza crust, top it with a bunch of veggies, and enjoy it either hot or cold.
The fourth way is to use hummus as a salad dressing. So you can mix hummus with some kind of like orange or lemon juice, even lime juice, throw in some olive oil and whisk that all together, and it makes a really tasty, creamy salad dressing.
Super easy. And the last way that we're going to show you today is to use hummus as a pasta sauce. So what I'm going to do is mix some hummus with soy sauce, and we're going to toss it over some brown rice noodles.
Yes, so we have brown rice noodles. Of course, any pasta will work. We're just kind of making our own little like noodle bowl. So we have the noodles. We also have some shredded carrots and shredded cabbage. And we're just going to top that with our little hummus dressing just to make kind of a quick, easy bowl, like noodle bowl with a different dressing.
Yeah, so something that you probably already have on hand at home. And we're just going to toss this together.
It smells so good already.
Yes, and you could use, again, like an olive oil to help thin it out. That's really what we're doing to make it more of that sauce-like texture.
Sure.
Or again, a lemon juice, something similar to that salad dressing.
Yep.
So as Casey's doing that, we're just going to top with some sesame seeds, green onion, and you have a meal.
So simple, easy, and delicious.
Ready to go. Try this hack idea and share it on your social media using #MealHack. And for more hack ideas, you can find us on YouTube. Otherwise, you can find recipe ideas at fastfoods.com/meals.